Oh.
No! Get your, no! Hell no, you can't go in here. No! No!
What's up, YouTube? Chapo back with another video. Today I'm about to install something called jam handles. It's for you to not touch your paint or your wrap, whatever you got. Jam handles. About to go ahead and open it. Come on, man. I'm gonna have the wife hold the camera while I install these. Oh, I gotta show them what it is, bro.
Door.
This is where I bought it from, this little cart. Y'all might hear the dog barking and stuff because we just put him in the cage. Thank God, the camera stickers. I got 4 of them. Let me show you guys. I got them in black. I'm going for the black on black look for my car. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Here, baby. Before you install it, get some alcohol and wipe down the area you want to put it in. Me, I'm gonna put it right here. I had this on my previous car, my little engine that could. You guys know I had a V6.
I don't know why it's not zooming in.
Don't need to zoom in, man. Got 3M tape on it. All you do is stick it on there. And to remove this is pretty easy. You just heat it up like any other 3M. And that's it, guys. You just pretty much put it on there. Close your door like that. The first time I bought it, 3M tape pretty much fell off, but I guess it got better over the years. I'm going to put the one for the back door on. I'm gonna put this one this side. If y'all hear something in the background, it's my wife shivering. She's cold. She just drunk a smoothie. And she has a jacket on.
I'm shaking too.
Put it right here. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest, guys, and get back to y'all. Cut it. Alright guys, I just got done installing the jam handles. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. Not sneak peek, I'm just gonna give y'all a preview how it looks, pretty much. This is the passenger side. I'm gonna go around so you the driver's side. Ooh. Your brother knocked over his alcohol. Driver's side, passenger door. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, that's a pretty easy mod, but it'll save you from touching your paint, your wrap, protect it longer over time. This is just an extra step to protect your money, your investment. Damn. That's it, baby. Y'all like the video, like, subscribe, check my other videos out, leave a like, comment. I got more videos on the way. See you guys later.